Payson Method's Intro to Piano Video Tutorials, Episode 3, Basic Rhythms. Follow along and learn more with the book Payson Method Piano by Andrew Payson. Welcome to Payson Method's Intro to Piano Video Tutorials. In this video, we will learn about basic rhythms. Before we get into different types of rhythms, we need to understand the concept of the beat. The beat is a regular pulse in music. When someone taps their foot along to a song, they are tapping along to the beat. Rhythmic values are symbols that represent a number of beats. These symbols tell us how long to play a note and when to play it. The most common note values you will encounter in piano are 16th notes, 8th notes, quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. For the purposes of this video, let's begin by looking at quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. Here are some examples of different note values when the quarter note is counted as one beat. This is a quarter note. It's worth 1 beat. This is a half note. It's worth 2 beats. This is a whole note. A whole note is worth 4 beats. Let's play middle C with basic rhythms. Quarter notes. Notice that I play on every beat. A quarter note is worth 1 beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half notes. Half notes sound a little longer. I hold each note for 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole notes. Whole notes are even longer than half notes. They take up the full 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A song works by putting together different combinations of rhythmic values and assigning them to notes. Let's play some common combinations of rhythms that you will encounter time and again in music. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For free resources, visit PaysonMethod.com. Follow along and learn more with the book Payson Method Piano by Andrew Payson. Payson Method teaches creativity.